Hello students, today we will solve fourth main from exercise 3.1. So first problem, what should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643 we need to find. So we'll perform subtraction to get the number. So 3 minus 6, we can't perform, we'll take the borrow. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Next, we'll take the borrow. So 13 minus 4 is 9. And 5 minus 9, we can't perform it. So we'll take the borrow. So it is 15 minus 9 is 6. Next, we have 0 and 7. So we'll borrow and perform the subtraction here. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So it is 53,697 is the number need to be added to 37,946 to get 91,643. Next, second problem. What should be subtracted from 67,215 to get 28,941? So in order to get that number, we perform subtraction here. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And next we have 1 minus 4. So we can't perform the subtraction here, so we need to take the borrow. So it will be 11 minus 4, that is 7. Next we have 1 and 9. So we can't perform, we need to take the borrow. So let us take the borrow. So it will be 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Next we have 6 minus 8. So here also we'll take the borrow and it will become 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And next we have 5 minus 2. So that is 3. So the obtained answer is 38,274. Third problem, the sum of two numbers is 87,065. If one of the number is 49,726, we need to find the other number. So let the number be x and let another number be y. So sum of x plus y is equal to 87,065 and y is 49,726. So in order to find the another number, we will subtract 49,726 from 87,065. So now we have 5 and 6. So 5 minus 6, we can't perform, we need to take borrow. So it will become 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Next we have 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Next 0 and 7 we need to take the borrow. So it will be 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And next we have 6 minus 9. We can't perform, we need to take the borrow there. So 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. Next 7 minus 4 is 3. So the another number is 37,339. Fourth problem, a farmer yielded 38,462 coconuts from his field last year. This year he yielded 47,285 coconuts. We need to find how many more coconuts he yielded this year. So first write down, a farmer yielded coconuts from his field last year is equal to 38,462. Next, a farmer yielded coconuts from his field this year, it is equal to 47,285. So now we'll perform subtraction. So we'll subtract 38,462 from 47,285. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Next 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 4 we can't perform, we need to take the borrow. So it will become 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 minus 8 we can't perform. We need to take the borrow, so it is 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So it is 8,820. Now we will solve problems involving both addition and subtraction operation. So first problem. So now first we'll perform addition. 22,457 we will add it with 32,986. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So carry 1 in the tens place and write down 3. Next 5 plus 1, 6 plus 8 is 14. So carry 1 and write down 4. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 9 is 14. So we'll write down 4. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Next we have 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is 55,443. So now we have done addition. Next step is the obtained answer. We need to perform subtraction now. So we'll subtract 35,712 with 55,443. So this is the second step. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Next 4 minus 1 is 3. And next we have 4 minus 7. We can't perform. We need to take the borrow here. So it will be 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. And next we have 4 and 5. So 4 is small. We can't perform. We need to take the borrow here. So it will be 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 19,731. So when the problems involve both addition and subtraction, first we'll perform addition. With the obtained answer, we'll perform the subtraction. Now let us solve exercise 3.2. So here first step is to add. So 54,398, we will add it with 24,897. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. So we'll carry 1 and write down 9. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. So carry 1 and write down 2. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Next we have 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So it is 79,295. So now we need to perform subtraction from the obtained answer. So 39,486, we will subtract it with 79,295. So 5 minus 6, we can't perform, we need to take the borrow. So it will be 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Next 8 minus 8 is 0. Next we have 2 and 4. We need to take the borrow here. So it will be 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. And next 8 minus 9. We can't perform. We need to take the borrow here. So it will be 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. And next 6 minus 3 is 3. So the final answer is 39,809. Now let us see the second problem. So we have 43,618. We will add it with 6,382. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Next we have 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. So carry 1 and we'll write down 0. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So carrying 1 and writing down 0. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Next we have 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 50,000. So second step is we need to subtract 29,467 from 50,000. So 0 minus 7 we can't perform. We need to take the borrow. So 5 will become 4. Next we'll have 10. And it will be 9. So finally in the ones place we'll have 10. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And 9 minus 6 is 3. Next we have 9 and 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Next 9 minus 9 is 0. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So it is 20,533. Now let us see the second main. First problem. A mobile phone factory manufactures 23,715 mobiles in November and 34,160 mobiles in December. Out of them, 42,534 mobiles were sold. Find how many mobiles are left unsold in the factory. So we need to find that. So first we'll write down the given data. A mobile phone factory manufactures 23,715 mobiles in November. A mobile phone factory manufactures 34,160 mobiles in December. So now both together we will add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. And next we have 1 and 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is 57,875. And the next part is that we need to find how many mobiles are left. So the obtained answer will perform subtraction. We'll subtract with 42,534. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4. Next we have 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. Next 5 minus 4 is 1. So it is 15,341. So 15,341 mobiles are left unsold in the factory. Second problem, Mr. Anand has 15,282 in his bank account. He deposits 25,718 on Wednesday. He withdraws 30,145 on Thursday. We need to find his bank balance after withdrawal. So first write down the given data, how much Mr. Anand has deposited on Wednesday and Thursday. So we will add the amount of Wednesday and Thursday deposited by Anand. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So we'll carry 1 and write down 3. Next 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Next we have 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So carrying 1 and writing down 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So the obtained answer is 41,003. Now the second thing is the obtained answer, what we got from the addition, we need to perform subtraction. That is 30,145 we need to subtract from 41,003 to get the total amount of Mr. Anand after withdrawal. So now we'll perform subtraction. So 3 minus 5 we can't subtract, we need to take the borrow. So 1 will be 0, 10 and then 9. So we'll have 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Next 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. Next we have 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the obtained answer is 10,858.